We are on Reddit today again, and there is a guy who wonders if Facebook ads are overcrowded, and he has some data, so I'm gonna comment on the data. This guy, Eric Jeremy, he asks, is Facebook getting too crowded for advertisers? I noticed an interesting trend. Facebook monthly traffic has dropped from 25 billion visits in 2020 to 13.1 billion in 2024, but the number of advertisers has grown from 8 million to 12 million with fewer users and more ads. Is the competition making it harder to get noticed on the platform? Is Facebook becoming too crowded and expensive for effective advertising? Would love to hear your thoughts. I think we have the data for 2020 and 2021, and those were the virus years. Those years, there were a lot of people who were online. They spent a lot of time online because there was nothing to do outside, right? So I believe those were the golden years to advertise on Facebook because the algorithm was not that crazy. In 2020, I think there was elections, so towards November, I had a lot of difficulties. But if we compare 2020 to 2024, we're gonna see that active advertisers are a lot higher, right? We're gonna see that there is a lot less monthly visits. However, here I'm just gonna give you a little bit more nuances. 2024 is not over yet. We're still in September. So maybe this number will get to like 20 billion people. As you can see, 2023 was a very, very difficult year for Facebook, or was it just a normal year for Facebook prior to COVID? That might have been how many people are visiting the platform. So in terms of like data, if we could read this data, yeah, there are like a lot more people advertising and a lot less people visiting Facebook. But also, I'm gonna say that due to regulations, I believe the iOS 14 and all those updates, I think it's harder to track the exact monthly visitors. So this is a number that I think it could be much higher. So I'm not sure if this number is like very accurate. So is Facebook getting too crowded for advertisers? And my answer is no. My answer is no. There is still a lot of opportunity if you run Facebook ads, because I'm gonna explain a concept to you. I'm gonna explain a concept. Remember, I'm just a Bulgarian. I'm not like a fancy business guru. I'm nothing like this. I'm just a guy from Bulgaria who figured out how to run ads on Facebook. And by the way, if you want me to help you audit your Facebook ads account to tell you what's wrong, what's broken, and how to fix it, click the link in the description below. And I'm gonna offer you a $1 Facebook ads audit. For $1, I'm gonna go over your ad account and I'm gonna troubleshoot your ads. Why do it? Some people love this audit and they become a long-term clients. So click the link in the description below. Anyway, do I think it's like overcrowded? I don't think so. I don't think so. And I'm gonna share a concept. Let's go to Canva Draw, and I'm gonna share a concept, and I'm gonna call this concept the opportunity wheel, right? The opportunity wheel. So let's imagine a wheel. This is the wheel, and the wheel, and whenever there is a new opportunity, the wheel starts spinning. For example, I'm gonna give you the Bitcoin opportunity wheel. There was a moment where everybody was talking about the Bitcoin, and here this should say Bitcoin, right? You get the idea. So this is the Bitcoin. More and more people started learning about Bitcoin, right? And the less of a good opportunity the Bitcoin was. At one moment, there was no point of investing in Bitcoin because the price was way too high. The same thing happens with product. So if you have a product, so let me go on elements and let me find product. If you have a product, that's a very good opportunity. You remember the fidget spinners? Let me show you. Let me show you. Oh no. No. A mistake I made. Okay. There was this like fidget spinner or whatever it was called. This was a very oh now even Google has like a spinner. So you can spin online. I don't know, man. The internet is getting crazier. So there was this product. This was the product. The fidget spinner. And people who are early on this opportunity, they made a lot of money, right? People who started first, who came in the early humble beginnings, they started making a lot of money. But more and more people saw that this product was successful, so they started selling it. And by the end, like everybody have bought the fidget spinner, so the opportunity for selling this spinner or whatever it's called was over. It was gone. And the same thing happens on Facebook ads. I know, like Facebook ads are definitely getting harder and harder. The algorithms are changing. We have a lot of different variations of how we can target right now, which in my opinion makes targeting much harder. But my question to you would be: is your product an exciting opportunity? Are you presenting your product as an exciting opportunity? Of course, this won't be relevant for all products. There are some products that will just sell no matter what. No matter what you do, they're just gonna sell. There are some other products that they won't sell that well. So my question is, what can you do with your products so you can present them as an exciting opportunity? So yeah, advertising will become harder and harder. Inflation is going on. People have less money. Nobody will buy like stupid products on Amazon maybe in the future. However, if you understand how to position this, how to do this, yeah, and for me it's easy to say it in a video. For me it's like I can just like draw it on Canva Draw and it's good to go. However, it's not that easy. This takes real mastery. This takes real marketing skills. You cannot just do it. You have to test it. You have to understand your product. You have to understand the market. But this is the concept. That what's the opportunity you provide people when they purchase your product? I know it sounds simple, but it is not. It's $1 million concept, right? And this guy, I'm just gonna go and I'm just gonna read some comments from Reddit. This guy says, "Yeah, I think including IG here would show a completely different picture. IG has significant volume. Monthly visits for 2024 will also be way up in the fourth quarter. So it's not I don't think it's also a fair comparison, right? I don't trust the numbers. I don't trust the numbers because social media is becoming more and more addictive, more and more addictive. I believe when there is money into something, where people make money, a lot of people will start doing it more and more and more. And this is the thing with Facebook ads. Facebook ads, selling products on the internet, creating online courses, creating programs, services, and selling them on the internet is the future. A lot of people will come into this game. So you need to become a full stack marketer. You need to understand the whole journey. You need to be able to get somebody from a click to a client. And here I have a click and I have the dollar sign, because this is how actually you'll be able to make money. You'll be able to make money. Now let's do something. Now let's do something different. I'm gonna switch the cameras. My name is Niko. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I strongly advise you that you order the $1 Facebook ads audit. I'm gonna go over your ad account, and if you think the market is like overcrowded, I might throw in a few big ideas, a few big opportunity marketing ideas that will help you get the most out of your ads. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Click the link right now and subscribe to my channel. Watch my previous videos in order because I am the best Facebook ads channel out there. You know that. You know that other people are full of BS. I don't want to use other words, but you know, when you go to other Facebook ads channels and everybody's like, oh, we made $11 million on ads from like one single campaign, and all we need to do to replicate our results is double click and copy this. However, this is not the case. You know that that's not the case. I know that's the case. I'm running Facebook ads myself. I'm duplicating campaigns. I'm creating new campaigns. So when it comes to running ads, not only am I talking about Facebook ads, but I'm actually managing Facebook ads. And this is why I shine. This is why you should subscribe. Now go ahead, click the links in the description below. Order the $1 Facebook ads audit. It's going to help you tremendously. So it focus on my finger. The $1 Facebook ads audit. You got nothing to lose. If this audit doesn't help you get amazing results, I'm going to buy you a coffee. Bye.